How to verify your PayPal account. Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to verify. To verify your PayPal account, you just need to log in and link a bank account or a credit card and follow the on-screen prompts. So when you link your bank account or a debit card, then it's going to send you a verification in a small amount of deposit or too small amount of deposit, which is going to prove that you've verified your PayPal account. So basically the steps go something like: you want to open up your PayPal first thing, make sure that you're already logged in, and go to the wallet section. All right, so when you click on the wallet section, there you have these add credit card. You click on it, select either its bank or debit card or credit card, and accordingly you want to go ahead and follow the prompt. Like if you're going with the bank, you could see go to the website or not now, and then you could go ahead and either for the debit card scan your card or enter in the card information manually. And when you're done entering the information, it might take 24 to 48 hours in order to send you a too small deposit, and you just need to make sure to wait patiently until you receive it, and that will indicate your account has been successfully verified. So that's the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.